Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Danelle and I'm a Jamaican who lives in Switzerland. And a few days ago, I posted in my community tab asking a question if you would like me to go shopping with you. And a whopping 95 or 97% of you said yes. So I went shopping, but just to let you know, I'm really nervous when I go in public with a camera. So I tried to use my phone, and when I got to the supermarket, I was still nervous and was filming the ground. So I didn't get good footage, but you know what? I did a little shopping, not a lot. I just bought a few things, and I'm going to do a voiceover of what I paid for it. So to put things in the context, the minimum expected salary for a person here in Switzerland is like 3,500, but this depends on where in Switzerland you are. Right, so just some general information about supermarkets in Switzerland. There are two major supermarket chains, Migros and Coop. In this footage, you're seeing Coop because that's where I shop mostly because of location. All right, so the first thing I bought was, it was literally the first thing, was some fruits. This cost, I think, $9.95. To me, that's quite expensive, but Coop always have good fruits at good prices, and as you can see, I got a 50% discount. I want to give you guys an assignment. Wherever you are in the world, please go and check how much it costs for a box of Cheerios and a box of Special K and let me know, because in my opinion these prices are not normal. 4.75 for a box of Cheerios and almost 6 francs for a box of Special K. That's expensive. So we eat quite a lot of potatoes, and we can easily well go through 2 of these bags per week, but the price isn't bad. It's like 3.40 for the 2.5 kilos. This is one of the reasons I like to shop in Coop, because of the different options with apples and different fruits. So you have Gala, Pink Lady, so many different types. Bio. I didn't pick Bio because I think this was on sale, and sometimes I just pick anything, but as you can see the price here, um, it's not too expensive. It's okay, in my opinion. Alright, so here's another expensive one, the hot chocolate. This is a Swiss made product, but it's so expensive. This is 750 grams, and I think it costs like 10 francs 80 cents, or 80 rappen. In Germany, I pay a little bit cheaper for the same product, although it's a Swiss product. I don't know what's happening there. So here I'm in the muesli line. I didn't buy muesli, but just wanted to show you the prices. So between 5 and 6 francs. Oats is very cheap. It's like 1-2 francs the most. So that's good for me because we eat a lot of oats. This 1 liter of bio, I don't know how you call it, cost 180 francs, and this yogurt also very cheap. In my house, we can easily finish a liter of milk in a day and a container of yogurt in like 2 days. All right, these are just to make sandwiches. This one is salami, and the prices are, they're a little bit much, but the quality is really good, I must say. Bacon 380 for 0.14 grams. Yeah, so in general, meat kinds are expensive in Switzerland, but they're usually good quality. Here's another cheap product. If you love porridge, you'll be fine. Polenta or cornmeal is really cheap. 1 franc 80 rappen. I'm happy with that. I can drink porridge every day. Now, this olive oil to me is a little bit pricey, but olive oil in general is pricey. This costs 14.95 rappen. Also, this is white vinegar. It's not so expensive, like 6.95 for the bottle. So I think that price is good. I didn't buy eggs on this trip, but I thought I'd show you the prices. You can choose bio or non-bio. And that's always an option here, which I really like. Here we're in Aldi. This is a price for honey, peanut butter, what's this? Nutella. This is maple syrup. We usually buy this in Coop and it costs like 6 or almost 7 francs, but here it's 5. So here I'm still in Aldi and the chicken nuggets were on sale, 2.79 from 3.79. I think that's a good sale, a good deal. So we took 2 packets. We didn't buy these chicken schnitzel, but I wanted to show you the price and the sale price. To me that doesn't make any sense, but anyways, what do I know? Alright, we're over to the pizza. Remember I told you I'm scared to film, so you're seeing the floor a lot. I'm sorry about that. Pizza prices you can see here, reasonable in Aldi. In Coop they're like 5 or 6 depending on the brand. So I have an update about these pizza. David said they were watery, so we're not buying those again. We're now again in Coop. I'm sorry I'm switching you between supermarkets. And so this is rice. Uncle Ben, we get Uncle Ben's here. I don't buy it. I buy the Bio brand or this one, Basmati, which is a Coop brand. And that's $4.90. This is the different types of flour you can get. And of course I showed you earlier the mueslis, which are reasonably priced, I would say. And oats, of course, is very cheap. So if you're a cheese lover, the supermarkets here are gonna be like heaven to you because there are so many different cheese you can choose from and they are so good. So I decided to go with this one. And yeah, I'm just showing here. This is what we usually buy. I don't know if it's the best, but it tastes really good. I don't think it's the best. When you go in the mountain and buy the cheese there, then it's the best. But 200 and how much is that? 219 gram costs 6.45. That's not bad price for Swiss cheese. So here I'm just showing you the different selection of cheese that they have in the supermarket. I think this supermarket is Coop. In Aldi they also have a huge selection as well, but the prices were a little bit unbelievable, like 16, 18, but I think the chunks were bigger. That's why it cost more. So we've come to the end of the shopping experience. I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know in the comment section what you pay for some of these items you've seen in the video. So in the end, I spent $97 or francs, 25 rappen. I'll put the conversion on the screen for the bill at Co-op, and the bill at Aldi was like 50 something. So altogether, for just as this is not a normal grocery run. This is just picking up a few things that were missing in the house, and that came to 150, we can say. So that's quite expensive. A monthly bill can run you around 500 in Switzerland, depending on how you eat and what you eat and what you choose to, the brands you choose to use. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Coming up in the next video is my big move, so stick around for that, and I'll see you in that video. Bye.